guys, welcome back to Courtney Sweets. Today we're making Instant Pot white rice. We're actually making Instant Pot jasmine white rice. So this is a jasmine rice. We do 1 cup jasmine rice, 1 cup water. We're going to show you how quick and easy it is to make, so let's go. So we're making jasmine rice, and I'm just going to do 1 cup to 1 cup. So 1 cup rice, 1 cup water. We're making 2 cups. That was a little bit of a heaping cup. 2 cups. And then we're going to rinse our rice. I always rinse my rice because it just tastes better and it's got a lot of impurities, and you always want to rinse your rice. So we're going to give this a good rinse in some water. And when you're rinsing it now, you want to make sure you're using cold water, and I like to go in with my hand and making sure I'm really getting all that water. See, it's nice and cloudy. Well, not nice, but it's cloudy. So I'm going to drain that in my sink. And you can also do this over like a colander or a mesh. And I just do it over this, like this. This is the second rinse. I do it like 3 or 4 times, sometimes 5 times, depending on the rice. Not as cloudy, I can start seeing through it. That is nice and rinsed. I'm going to do it 1 more time. And like I said, I'm going with 1 cup to 1 cup. So 2 cups of rice, 2 cups of water. Then I have some rice on the side, so you just want to make sure you get all that down. You could use your hand, as long as your hand's clean, but I just use the water and flick it down. Now, if you wanted to add any oil or salt, you can do that now. If you actually wanted to season your rice, you could season it now. You could put oil, you could put some salt, pepper. I'm not putting anything in my rice because we're serving it with our Instant Pot bottom round roast, which has a delicious salty broth. So I'm just going to put this into the Instant Pot now. So I'm going to put my lid on now, put it into lock position, seal it, and then we're going to put it on manual mode for 4 minutes. I made rice previously on manual. And then we're going to actually let it cook for the 4 minutes, and then we're going to also let it naturally release for 18 minutes. And then after that 18 minutes is done, it should be without the pressure, and you could open the lid. But if there's pressure, you'll want to release it. So it's been 17 minutes. The pressure is fully released. I can take the lid off. Actually, I'm going to put it right into the sink because there's a lot of condensation. And then we're going to fluff up our rice. I'm going to turn it off because we don't want this to keep warm. That is very hot, so I'm going to put the spoon in there and bring you guys on over. There it is, nice, and you want to fluff it up a little bit. And this is just perfect rice, and then we could serve this with dinner. Very hot. Now, if you want to add more flavor to your rice, you can use broths or something. Like I make my Instant Pot bottom round roast, and I'll use the broth from that. You could add herbs, spices, seasonings, whatever you like, and however you like to make your rice. You can still do it in an Instant Pot. We hope you guys enjoy this quick and easy Instant Pot recipe. Leave us a comment what you'd like to see more of, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you guys soon. Bye!